Namaste yogis, this is Yogi Claudia, Emma for Vardon, and I've had a couple of requests for a guided meditation, so I'm going to do a 5-minute guided meditation here, and then I'll do a sound clip that's been requested from a client that I will also send out. So, just closing your eyes down and just centering into the present moment. Just feeling your seat on the floor or on the chair. And just taking a slow breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Letting go of the past and the future. Taking another slow breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And bringing your palms to your heart center. And just taking 3 ohms and feeling the sound and the vibration in and around your body. Take a gentle breath into the belly. Inhale. Inhaling. And keeping your hands in Namaskar at your heart center, and just gently setting an intention for your meditation practice. For anything to come up that you want to know or need to know for yourself, to just gently arise from the silence within you. In setting that intention, take a gentle breath into the body and gently squeeze the Mula Bandha root lock at the base of the spine, just being with that intention. Exhale softly out through your mouth, just letting that go and bringing your hands down to your knees or your thighs. And feeling the breath flowing in and out through both nostrils. Let the breath just fill the upper abdomen at the solar plexus between the rib cage, and then all the way down into the lower belly, the lower abdomen, and the lower back. And just really feeling that breath feel all the way down into the legs, down into the thighs, the calves, down into the ankles, the feet and the toes. And just feeling the arms, the forearms and the hands heavy and relaxed on the knees or the thighs. And feeling that breath just gently flowing in and out. And just begin to imagine that the brain is sliding all the way down from the head, energetically down through the throat, into the heart space, just giving the mental faculties permission to come offline and work with the intelligence of the heart. And just feeling that connection in the heart space, dropping your awareness all the way down to the soles of the feet, and sensing, visualizing, imagining or feeling slow roots growing from the soles of the feet all the way down through the building that you're in, or if you're outside, sensing and feeling these roots going down into the grass, into the rich brown red soil, all the way down past the roots of the plants and the trees, the flowers, the mycelium network, all the way down through rock and crystal and caverns of the earth, deep into the crystalline core of the earth, rooting and grounding and feeling the huge support of the earth beneath you and around you, and feeling that breath flowing in the lower belly, and just enjoying that connection between yourself and the earth. Begin to imagine a golden grounding cord dropping from the base of the spine, down through the foundations, down through the soil, all the way down through the tectonic plates of the earth, deep into that crystalline core, and feeling that connection between yourself and the earth, feeling slow and still. Feel the earth just gently returning warming, nourishing energy to you, all the way up that golden cord, up through the tectonic plates, through caverns, through crystal, through rock, through soil, all the way up into the base of the spine, and just feeling that energy and that nourishment move up through the vertebrae, through the lower back, the middle back and upper back, through your neck and your head, and just sensing and feeling and seeing that golden cord moving up through the crown of the head, up through the roof of the building, up through the sky and the clouds and the Earth's atmosphere, going all the way up through the twinkling stars, past Venus and Mercury, and connecting into the warmth of the sun, and then feeling yourself supported from below and above. Just begin to welcome that warming, energizing, cleansing energy of the sun coming all the way down that golden cord, down past Mercury and Venus, through the twinkling stars and the Earth's atmosphere, all the way down through the building, through the crown of your head, and coming all the way down and meeting at your solar plexus, just between the rib cage. And then visualizing or sensing and feeling a point of light that gently begins to expand into a sphere. See that sphere and feel it just gently cleansing the cells and the tissues of the body as it expands to fill the torso, going out beyond your knees, out in front of you and behind you. See this golden sphere expanding 360 degrees to 6 feet and to 12 feet, just gently cleansing all the layers of your auric field and your being, all the way out, 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 and seeing yourself filled with and surrounded by a bright golden light, just increasing your tejas, which in yoga is your inner light. Seeing yourself like a yolk within a huge golden egg, and taking a slow breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, and just feeling anything dropping away that isn't yours and that no longer serves you, all the way down into the earth, to be turned into nourishment for the plants and the trees. Staying with that feeling and that visual of yourself being filled with and surrounded by that bright golden light. Enjoying that connection with yourself and the deeper layers of your being, and with the earth below you and the universe above and around you. Take a slow breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And when you're ready, you can softly open your eyes and come back into your space. Hari Om Tat Sat and Namaste, and thank you for your practice.